Howdy Cups, Bejo in Pattaya. Have a look at this, hot and sunny. This is Pattaya Klang. So a little Lucky Stars bar there. They go through to Soi 7. But I thought I'd continue along Beach Road, go along the South Pattaya Beach part, continue the video off. It's Friday, the 19th of May, 34 degrees, humid, hot, but it's good to be here. It's the main intersection here of the beach road. You can see they're doing all the footpath there. Check my last video that ended along here. Let's go take a look. The little bars here, they're always fun along here. Good little spot too, beachfront location. What do we got here? 3 kilo for 100 baht, mangosteen. Let's check the dollar, because I think the Aussie dollar went up. Look at that, 22.58 Aussie dollar, US 34.22, Great British pound 42.45. Oh yeah! Still low, still could be better. Let's go for a cruise along here. Oh, all the boys got the shirts off, hot as hell. The construction here, oh, police are up here, they might stop me. There's the bars going up. Look, you can see the little 1, 2, 3 little sections there. Here's the police checkpoint. Make sure you wear a helmet or you'll get busted. Bejo, no problem. Bejo's coming through. And here's the central shopping. Look at the footpath works. Goodness me. I've got a photo of the finished project. Looks very nice. All computer photo, but we'll see what happens when it's finished, if they ever finish it. Big block of land on the left there. It's supposed to be a condo block going up. This Wave Hotel too, the blue colour, that looks nice. Expensive though, I think. 4,000 or 5,000 a night, some of those. Beachfront, of course. The beach looks fairly busy. It's hot as hell though. I've just been swimming in the pool. Get a sunburn in like 10 minutes. Hey, here's the Natural Beach Hotel, the Nautical Inn. We looked at that actually. Looks nice in there. And even that one, the Nautical, I'm sure, look, $790, room $799. I saw online too, 800 baht. So good location. And they have a swimming pool, I'm pretty sure. White shopping mall just there. Get some good stuff in there. Get my Nike shoes in there from the old Mikeys. Bejo! Yeah, so the old beach road. Apparently the police were gonna go along here and look for girls, prostitution or something. But they never find anything. I love that. The O-ring massage and spa. Anyone want an O-ring massage? Now we're down near the Soi 13.1 and 13.2. There's Hop's Restaurant. Good quality in there. Royal Garden Plaza shopping. Good for the kids in there on the 3rd floor. They've got a lot of entertainment for kids, ghost trains and little mini fun park. Ripley's Believe It or Not. There's the Bay Walk. You can walk through there. Look, that's all coming back to life a little bit. Check out my old videos, I've been through there. The Ganja Station, all the weed shops everywhere. Look at that, how good's the beach. Just take a quick look for you guys. Oh, look what they're building just there too. That whole block there is going to be redeveloped into something. We'll wait and see what happens there. It's Friday afternoon. The traffic's getting a little bit busier. Here we are, Joe, not allowed to drive on the beach. It's illegal, of course. Look at that. How good is that? North Pattaya Beach and the towers. You can see in the distance, the one with the crane on top, that's going up so quick. I'll go along there and do a video soon. And they put them up quick. There's a Pattaya beer garden, the Pattaya sign. Cool. And the temperature forecast for the next few days, 3 or 4 days, is going to be 34, 35 degrees in the day. Super hot. Even at night, it's like 29, 30. I don't sleep with the aircon on all night. I have a fan though. If you don't have a fan here, you've got to have that little bit of a breeze or you're just sweating. All the McDonald's are coming back alive. How many McDonald's are in Pattaya? Man, there's got to be at least 10 of them. The Pattaya beer garden, that's the entrance just there, and the bars at the front. Weed shops everywhere. We'll go down Walking Street another day, guys. That corner bar there, that used to be a bank, I think. Bamboo bars reopened now at night. Used to call it Grab a Granny. The old Grab a Granny. Greenhead. Yeah, look at all this traffic. What's in there, I wonder? You ever seen in there? Let's have a look. You don't know, you'll never know. Nothing much, just the back of a hotel. And a swimming pool there too. Whatever hotel that is. No name, of course. Probably the name's around the corner. Speedos coming through. Look out, everybody. Even that big block of land there, look at that. But here we are, back to Second Road here. The main intersection. Just thought I'd give you a quick look at all of that. And look at the roadwork still here. They keep digging it up again. They're going for a second go now. And fill it all in, why not? But just hope you have a great Friday night, everyone. P. Joe will be out partying. Don't know where I'm going. I think maybe high rollers and jibbies. But stay safe, everybody. Take care. It's Guru from P. Joe. Over and out.